In this video, we show how to replace the rear boss in-one module in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove the boss in-one module with the cover and risers 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4 removed from the system, lift up on the blue retention clip and then press back on the module and slide it all the way to the system. To install the boss in-one module, align it with the rear of the system and slide it in, press it all the way in until it's fully seated, and then press down on the blue retention clip. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.